Hello friends, welcome to this video on lines and angles. In the previous session, we learnt about lines parallel to the same line. In today's video, we will discuss angle sum property of a triangle and theorem of exterior angle of a triangle. We will prove two theorems using the properties of parallel lines. So let's start with the first theorem. The sum of all the angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. Friends, you have learned this statement before, but today we will prove it. Suppose a triangle ABC is given, whose angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. We have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Or we can also write it as angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equals 180 degrees. Just keep in mind that the alphabet of the angle that you are referring to is in the middle. Now let's draw a line parallel to any one side of this triangle. Let's draw a line parallel to side BC in such a way that it passes through the third vertex of this triangle. Let's call this line PQ. Friends, what will be the value of angle PAB plus angle BAC plus angle QAC? The sum of these three angles will be 180 degrees because they are angles formed on a straight line. Let us call it equation 1. And because line PQ and line segment BC are parallel, so now we will use the properties of transversal. Therefore, angle PAB is equal to angle ABC and angle QAC is equal to angle ACB because these are pairs of alternate interior angles. Equation 2. Now in equation 1, we can write angle ABC instead of angle PAB and angle ACB instead of angle QAC. So equation 1 will be angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equals 180 degrees. So friends, thus the theorem is proved. Let us now move to the second theorem. This theorem states that if one side of a triangle is extended, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Friends, this is also called the theorem of exterior angle of a triangle. So let's take triangle ABC again and extend the side BC slightly to the point D. We have to prove that the exterior angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Friends, this is quite easy. Here BCD is a line and angle ACB and angle ACD are linear pair angles. That is, we can say that angle ACB plus angle ACD equals 180 degrees. Let's call this equation 1. And as we just learned, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, which means angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB will be equal to 180 degrees. Let's call this equation 2. Now if we look at equations 1 and 2, the RHS of both the equations are equal. Therefore, the LHS of both the equations will also be equal. We can also write it like this. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equals angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB. Let's call this equation 3. Angle ACB is on both sides of this equation. We can cut it from both sides and write like this. Angle ACD equals angle BAC plus angle ABC. And this is what we had to prove. So friends, the second theorem also ends here. Let's end this video here. Today, we studied the angle sum property of a triangle and theorem of exterior angle of a triangle. In the next video, we will solve some questions based on these methods. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to this video on lines and angles. In the previous video, we learned about the angle sum property of a triangle and theorem of exterior angle of a triangle. Today we will solve some questions related to these theorems. So let's start with the first question. In the given triangle, side CA is further extended to point E and side BC is extended to point D. If angle EAB equals 130 degrees and angle ACD equals 100 degrees, then find the value of angle ABC. Let us first look at the angles for which the values are given. Angle EAB equals 130 degrees and angle ACD equals 100 degrees. We have to find the value of angle ABC, and this is the solution. First of all, angle EAB plus angle BAC will be equal to 180 degrees because it is a linear pair. Now if we keep the value of angle EAB, then it will be 130 degrees plus angle BAC, which equals 180 degrees. Thus, angle BAC will be equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, which is equal to 50 degrees. Let's name it as equation 1. Similarly, we can find angle ACB. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equals 180 degrees. Because it is a linear pair, now we'll put the value of angle ACD in it. We get the value of angle ACB as 80 degrees. Let's name it as equation 2. And angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees, according to the angle sum property of a triangle. Now if we keep the values of equation 1 and equation 2 in it, we will get angle ABC equals 50 degrees. Thus the first question is solved. Now let's move to the second question. Identify whether triangle POQ in the given figure is an equilateral triangle or not. So let's write the given values first. Angle MNO equals 70 degrees. Angle NMO equals 50 degrees. And angle OPQ equals 60 degrees. We have to find out whether triangle POQ is an equilateral triangle or not. Friends, to find this out, we will find the values of all the angles of the triangle and see if all the angles are 60 degrees or not. In the triangle MNO, angle NMO plus angle MNO plus angle MON will be equal to 180 degrees, according to angle sum property of a triangle. According to the given values, this will become 50 degrees plus 70 degrees plus angle MON equals 180 degrees. We will get angle MON equals 60 degrees. Now since angle MON and angle POQ are vertically opposite angles, angle MON will be equal congruent to angle POQ. That is, angle POQ will also be equal to 60 degrees. And since angle POQ, angle OPQ and angle PQO are angles of the same triangle, therefore angle POQ plus angle OPQ plus angle PQO equals 180 degrees. Here we are given the value of angle OPQ and we have also found the value of angle POQ. Putting both the values in this equation, we get angle PQO equals 60 degrees. And now we can see that all the angles of the triangle POQ are 60 degrees. That is, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. With this, let's move to the last question of this session. In the given figure, OQ is parallel to RS. Angle QRS is equal to 30 degrees and side PT is perpendicular to the side QR. Then find the value of angle OPT. Let's write the given values and what we have to find. Now let's see its solution. Since OQ is parallel to RS, therefore angle QRS will be congruent to angle PQR, or we can say that since angle PQT is an alternate angle, therefore angle QRS equals angle PQT equals 30 degrees. And now if we use the theorem of exterior angle of a triangle, then we can say that angle OPT equals angle PTQ plus angle PQT. And keeping the value of all the angles, we get angle OPT equals 90 plus 30 equal to 120 degrees. And this is our final answer. Angle OPT equals to 120 degrees. Friends, with this, let's end this video. Today we solved some questions related to angle sum property of a triangle and theorem of exterior angle of a triangle. In the next video, we will discuss some facts based on these topics. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to this video on lines and angles. In the previous video, we solved some questions related to angle sum property of a triangle and exterior angle property of a triangle. Today we will discuss some more facts related to the same. In the given figure, side BC is the angle bisector of angle ABD. Angle ABC is equal to x degrees and angle BDC is equal to y degrees. Now can you tell what kind of a triangle is triangle BCD? You can pause the video and then solve this question. Friends, as angle ABC is x degrees, so angle CBD will also be x degrees, because side BC is the angle bisector of angle ABD. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD as they are alternate angles. Thus, angle BCD is also an angle of x degrees. And angle BCD is equal to angle CBD is equals to x degrees. That is, triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. Correct? Friends, there is an error in this answer. We said that angle ABC is equal to angle BCD because they are alternate angles. But have we been given that the side AB and side CD are parallel sides? No. Unless we are given that the sides are parallel, we cannot say that angle BCD and angle CBD are alternate angles and will be equal. We can find the value of angle BCD by using the angle sum property of a triangle. Pause the video and try to solve it yourself and see if the given triangle is a scalene triangle or not. That's all in this session. Today we discussed some facts related to angle sum property of a triangle. See you in the next video. Thank you.